Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I would like to start cost accounting video classes for limitations of cost accounting system and what are the benefit for installation of cost system or what are the prerequisite for installation of cost system or cost accounting system. इसके लास्ट वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे the difference between financial accounting and cost accounting. I have also marked the important point. Okay. Then what are the relationship between cost accounting and management accounting. ऑलरेडी हम लोगों को पता है कि द स्कोप ऑफ मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग इज लार्जर देन द स्कोप ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंसी. ओके, बिकॉज कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग इज ओनली फोकस ऑन कॉस्ट, बट in case of management accounting it utilizes the principles and practices of financial accounting and cost accounting in addition to other management technique for efficient operation of a company. Okay, देन उसके बाद हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग. दिस टॉपिक इज कैरी 6 marks, very important. As you know that cost system reveals unprofitable activities, then it locate the exact cause for decrease or increase in the profit or loss, furnish suitable data and information to the management. Then cost accounting useful for price fixation purpose. Then with the application of standard costing and budgetary control methods, the optimum level of efficiency can be set and cost comparison help in cost control. Okay. So ये सब पढ़ रहे थे लास्ट वीडियो में. एंड नाउ इन दिस वीडियो आई वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट व्हाट आर द लिमिटेशंस ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम and the benefit for installation of cost system or cost accounting system. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, these two topic also very important for your examination point of view. Each carries 6 marks. Okay, so first, limitations of cost accounting system. As we know that like any other system of accounting, cost accountancy is not an exact science but an art which has developed through theories and accounting practices based on reasoning and common sense only. So many of the theories cannot be proved nor they can be disproved or rejected. They grow enough in course of time to become familiar and accepted principles of cost accounting. Right, these principles are by no means static. They are modified from day to day, and what is correct nowadays is not hold exact or true in the circumstances coming tomorrow. Right, so large number of conventions, estimates and flexible factors are there. No cost can be said to be exact as they incorporate a large number of conventions, estimations and flexible factors such as classification of cost into its elements. कॉस्ट को एलिमेंट्स से डिवाइड हो रहा है, क्लासीफाई करा हो रहा है. देन मटेरियल्स इशू प्राइसिंग बेस्ड ऑन एवरेज और स्टैंडर्ड कॉस्ट ओनली. apportionment of overhead expenses and their allocation to cost unit or cost center. Here apportionment means what? Distribution of overhead expenses and their allocation to cost unit or cost center. Then arbitrary allocation of joint cost. Sir, what do you mean by arbitrary? Arbitrary means it is based on random choice or personal whim, but it's not uniform procedures, right? So this is the main limitation of cost accounting system, that it arbitrary allocation of joint cost, that is based on random choice or personal whim. Then division of overhead into fixed and variable. So then cost को division हो रहा है fixed को and also variable को. So this is one of the limitations of cost accounting system. For this, cost accounting lacks the uniform procedures and format in preparing the cost information of a product or service. Keeping in view this limitation, all cost accounting results can be taken as mere estimate only. Can be taken as mere estimates only. That's why cost accounting is nowadays very slow in developing. Okay, then installation of cost system or cost accounting system, this one is also very important for your examination point of view. This topic is carries 6 marks. It will be seen that there cannot be a ready-made cost system suitable for a business, right? Such system has to be specifically made for an undertaking to meet its specific needs. Otherwise, it not required to install for cost system. And for installing a cost system, you need to be very focus, need to be study overall factors and taken into account all the aspects which are involved, as otherwise the system will be a misfit and full advantages will not be released from it. The following point should be looked into and the prerequisites satisfied before installing a cost system. What are the prerequisites? These prerequisites are: first, the nature, method and stage of production, the number of varieties and the quantity of each product, and such other technical aspect should be examined. ये सब एग्जामिन होना पड़ेगा. पहले तो नेचर, मेथड चेक करना पड़ेगा. स्टेज ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, कौन सी स्टेज में प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है. द नंबर ऑफ वेराइटी and the quantity of each product and each other technical aspect should be examined. अगर ये सब satisfy हुआ, then installation of cost system is mandatory. Then it is to be seen how complex or how simple the production method are and what is the degree of control exercise over them. Then the size, layout and organization of the factory should be studied. देखना पड़ेगा. Size, layout and organization of the factory should be studied. First, nature, method and stage of production, the number of varieties and the quantity of each product and such other technical aspects should be examined. Then only 6 points is important, no need to write all the point. The method of purchase, कौन सी मेथड ऑफ परचेज यूज कर रहा है. रिसिप्ट, कितना रिसिप्ट हो रहा है. स्टोरेज फैसिलिटीज and issue of materials should be examined and modified wherever considered necessary. Then the OH payment method should be studied. OH payment method कैसा हो रहा है ये सब भी स्टडी करना पड़ेगा for installing cost system. Then requirement of the management and the policy adopted by them towards cost control should be kept in view. Management के requirement क्या है and which policy they adopted towards cost control should be kept in view before installing cost system or cost accounting system. Then the cost of the system to be installed should be considered. The cost of the system to be installed should be considered. It is needless to emphasize that the installation and operation of system should be economic भी होना पड़ेगा. Then the system should be simple and easy to operate. System simple होना चाहिए and it should be easy to operate. Then the system can be effectively run if it is appropriate and suited for the organization. Suited to the organization. Then forms and records of original entry should be so made and to involve minimum clerical work and expenditure. The system should be so made that cost control can be effectively exercised. So you need to write only 6 points. First, point 1, the nature, method and stage of production, the number of varieties and the quantity of each product and such other technical aspects should be examined. Then number 2, the size, the layout and the organization of the factory should be studied carefully. Then third, the method of purchase, receipt, storage and issue of material should be examined and modified wherever considered necessary. Then fourth, the OH payment method should be studied. OH पेमेंट मेथड कैसा हो रहा है वो भी स्टडी करना पड़ेगा. Then the requirement of the management and the policy adopted by them towards cost control should be kept in view. Then cost of the system to be installed should be considered. इतना ही up to this ये and here is 2 point. Okay, only 6 point you need to write. No need to write, no need to study all the point. You just need to study smartly so that you will secure 6 marks. So read it, revise it, and make a short notes. And revise it. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for your support.